Hey guys, and welcome to our all new how-to video with Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to make the simple chicken snack holder, but first you're going to need a few things. Alright guys, to get started on this project you will need a miter saw, some 2x8 lumber, you'll need your tape measure with a pen or pencil, you'll need your speed square, an impact driver with some screws, and you also need a metal rod. You will also need a jigsaw, or you can use a skill saw like I'm going to do, and you can use a drill with a drill bit to notch your hole. Alright, so we got a super easy cut sheet. On your 2x8 lumber you'll need one board cut at 20 inches and you need two boards cut at 15 inches. Alright, so now that you've got all three of your boards cut right here, what you want to do is take your 20-inch board for right now, just stick it out of your way to the side. Then you want to take your two 15-inch boards right here, guys, and what I want you to do is you're going to take your speed square and you're going to get your triangle so that you can cut out the dip right here. Right, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it with this speed square. What I want to do is put it in this corner just like this, and I'm going to come down until I get to my 5 right here. Then I'm going to flip it over and do the exact same thing in this corner. From the 5 mark right here, you can see the 5-inch mark, and pop that line. So there's our line right there that we're going to cut this part out. So this is no longer any good. We're going to cut that out with our saw. So I want to do that on both my boards right here, guys. So let's go ahead and get those cut out now. So now that we went ahead and cut out this one right here, guys, this one is now ready to be attached to our 20-inch board. So we'll just stick that to the side, and just want to repeat the exact same thing with your other 15-inch board. You just want to go ahead and cut out your triangle, and if it helps, you can go ahead and drill your hole first, just like this. Alright, then go ahead and cut so that you meet the circle on both sides, and then it'll just fall out for you guys. Guys, so we got both of our boards cut, as you can see right here. So what I want to do now is take my 20-inch board right here. Just want to lay it nice and flat, and you just want to take one of your boards, stick it on the side just like that right there. And if you need to, you can use a wood clamp or so and clamp it together, or you can simply just shoot your screw in there like I'm going to do. So what I want to do is just line it up nice and go ahead and sink a screw in each corner. Alright, so once you got that side screwed on, you just want to come and bring your other board to the other side just like that. Get it nice and lined up on a flat surface. Like I said, you can just use a clamp, or you can just shoot a screw straight in there. I'm not really concerned about how this is built, so I'm just going to shoot a screw straight in there. Right there. Alright, make sure it's sitting nice and flat. Alright, then I'll shoot another screw in this corner. Alrighty, so now both sides are on. Let's take a look at what we got. Here we go. And as you can see, that's the main frame of the box right there, guys, that we can use. Alright guys, so the next thing that we want to do is to cut out a small metal rod just like this right here at 29 inches. That way it'll give you 3 inches to hang off of each side right here, guys. And if you don't have any metal rod like this laying around, you could try to use a clothes hanger or something like that. Me, I just found this little piece of metal rod on a job site and just snipped it off real quick, guys. So what you're going to do is, as you can see, it would just sit in the grooves just like that. But what I like to do for them as like a treat is take this little bag right here of like broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots and stuff, guys. And what I like to do is just open it up. And then I'm going to take the kebab rod, and you're just going to do just like a kebab, guys. You're going to slide your stuff right through it. and it helps if it's still just a little frozen to stay on a little bit better, guys. As you can see there, I can just feed the different stuff right on there on that rod. Put some carrots on there. Alright, so you're basically making a kebab for your chickens without the chicken. So yeah, you just slide them on down, and then you just stick your rods just like that right there, and stick it in your coop, guys. So let's go see how they like it. Alright guys, so I got my little kebab made up, so let's go ahead and set it down and see how they like it. There we go. Oh, she's got one already. Here they come. Alright, so there you go, guys. They can just come out here and just snag them a little snack and run off and go eat it in peace, just like they're doing now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button down below for me, guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. Peace.